Brand new partnership between Ace Hardware and DoorDash. And here to break it all down is 25-year home improvement expert Kathryn Emery. Wonderful to have you back here on Good Morning Washington.
Kid, I always love talking to you. Thank you for having me back.
So let's talk about what's the scoop on this partnership.
All right, kid, picture this. We have all been there. You're in the middle of a home improvement project and you forgot just that one item. Or you want to spruce up your yard because guests are on their way. Or if you're like me, you want to get a jump start on holiday decorating, you've forgotten a zip tie or an extra skeleton. Well, great news, because Ace Hardware is teaming up with DoorDash to bring all of your home improvement needs directly to you in under an hour. So Ace is the first nationwide home improvement co-op offered on DoorDash, and with more than 4,000 store locations across the country participating, this is a game changer, kid, for DIYers, busy homeowners, and contractor. It makes it easier than ever to shop locally and get exactly what you need fast, straight to you.
Well, for folks like us that live in the city, it's easy to get things that maybe we can't carry home. So how exactly does it work?
So super easy. You just open that DoorDash app or go to DoorDash.com. Look for the Ace Hardware storefront and let the shopping begin. Thousands of items, everything you need. Cleaning, hobby, gardening, tool, and more. Once you place that order, your DoorDasher is going to go directly to that Ace store, pick it up, bring it right to you, usually in under an hour. I like to say this is real-time delivery for real-life solutions.
I love it. And Ace has everything. So is DoorDash offering any special promotions for people who are trying this out?
Well, of course they are, and you've got to take advantage of them in the month of September. So they're giving from 40 to 25% off. So if you're a Dash Pass member, remember the code 40ACE for 40% off. Everybody else, 25ACE, and you're going to get 25% off. And guess what? If you haven't tried DoorDash, what are you waiting for? Try it now, because you're going to get additional savings for first-time users.
Before we went on the air, I said, how you doing? You said, oh, good, I'm just shopping for my couch. So it looks like you've already put this to the test. Did you order all of this on DoorDash?
I mean, I must say, kid, DoorDash truly is my lifeline. I'm a busy mom. I'm a business owner. I don't have time to go out. So yes, absolutely. As you can see here, I've gotten a jump start. I've got everything I need to clean and fix up my home this fall, as well as, of course, the holiday decorating. You know what? Ace Hardware and DoorDash have given me the gift of time and convenience. Thank you.
Well, love it. Where can everyone go to learn more?
So everybody should open their DoorDash app or go to DoorDash.com, look for the Ace Hardware storefront, and let the shopping begin. And all the details that I talked about with the savings, you can find right there as well.
Kathryn, thanks so much for sharing this with us today, and have a great day.
Always love talking to you, my friend. Happy fall.
Same to you. We'll have